Hello everyone, welcome to Moneyism. Welcome to pre-market report on 24th March. So let us see the Nifty performance yesterday. Nifty tried to reach the 20 DMA level around 14,860, but it could not sustain and close around 14,814. So today, let us see the world market first. Yeah, first let us see the HX Nifty. HX Nifty is trading around 14,739. So it is almost 86 points down from the our Nifty spot. So we can see again gap down opening in Nifty, and all over the world the markets are falling. Yesterday, if you see the US market, yeah, US market also Dow Jones fell around 1%, S&P 500 almost uh, more than 0.76%. Nasdaq is fallen more than 1%, and DAX and FTSE, CAC, all European markets also closed slightly negative only. And if you see the Asian market today, all opening in red only, almost 1%, 1.5%. So we can see a good amount of selling will be there in our market. So Nifty closing above this 14,866 level is not possible for this expiry. We can expect Nifty will settle down around 14,500 for this expiry. And if I see the FI data, FIs become FIs keep on selling. Yesterday also small amount of selling is there, but no need to worry. Only just 100 crores only. And DA is again become a seller yesterday 500 crores. So market is really choppy in this area. So we have to wait till this expiry. After that, maybe the market may move uh, either in upside, or maybe it will break this 14,400 level and it will come to 14,000, which is the great support for the Nifty. Or if this recent 15,000 is a small resistance, if this is broken, maybe we can see a 15,400, 15,500 level in April series. Uh, yeah, yeah. Let us see the open interest on Nifty. Nifty, yeah. Yesterday, lot of 14,800 puts were written on at the money level. So it is showing the bullishness. So due to global sell-off, maybe these people will cover for their shorts. So the market may tend to go down further, maybe around 14,700 level today. And if any further panic selling is there, maybe it can test 14,500 for this expiry. So 14,500 is the immediate support for the Nifty, and 15,000 is the immediate resistance. So the Nifty will be trading in this range. If somebody wants to make money out of it, so they can sell 15,100 calls and 14,400 put, so that they can make some money. And if, let us see the Bank Nifty also. The max pain is around 14,800. So we have to wait and see if max pain is shifting down around 14,700. So the downside movement will be there. We'll see the Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty. Yesterday, lot of puts were written around 34,000 level. So if this 200 points gap down or something, so these people will go for this area. So 33,500 will be the good support for the Bank Nifty. So this expiry, we can see Bank Nifty will close around this 33,500, or if any further momentum is there, so 35,000 is the strongest resistance. So Bank Nifty looks same like Nifty only, but it's showing underperformance compared to Nifty, and max pain is around 34,000. If you see, lot of puts and calls were written around 34,000, so people will not allow Bank Nifty go below 33 500, or they will not allow go 34,500. So 34,000 straddle will be the good one. If somebody can short the 34,000 straddle, they can make money out of it. And yeah, Dow futures, S&P futures, Nasdaq futures all trading slightly negative only. So we can see a negative opening only in Nifty also, and especially US markets fell because of uh, Tuesday. Yes, infrastructure spending and potential tax hikes to pay for President Joe Biden's 1.9 trillion relief bill. So they have hiked the tax in US. That may be the reason for the downside in S&P 500 and Dow futures. So same thing will affect in our Indian market also, because we are strictly following the US market actions. So but we have good support around this 14,469. So if any fall also, so 14,400, 500 level will be the good support for Nifty. We no need to panic, because why I am telling, India VIX is trading around 21 only. So if this goes more than 25 to 30 only, there will be panic selling. So we can see some kind of hike in India VIX today because of this 1% gap down or something. But we no need to worry the Nifty will crash to 12,000 or 10,000. So people are posting some videos. So those are irrelevant to the market. So market is having very good support around 14,000. Yeah, very good support. Huge support around 14,000. So for this month, even for the April month also, 40,000 is the strong support. So no need of worrying. Market will go further. That's it, guys. Have a safe trading. Happy trading to all. Thank you, everyone.